Hello everybody, welcome back, and in this video I will show you how to fix policy violation. If you are using Admob, Adsense or any other integration for your app, you must have violated policy or got your account suspended unintentionally. It is because you accidentally breached a policy that the company doesn't tolerate. Now, how can you avoid these mistakes? And when are these policies breached the most? Let's find out. Why is there a policy for ads? The ad networks allow you to show ads to users in a way that doesn't affect their experience and allows you to show ads in your inventory. This way, both users and advertiser can coexist in a single space. And to monitor this relationship, ad networks have created certain policies to protect users from overexposure to ads. Now, many times while creating an inventory or placing the ad, there are certain details that get missed by developers which have consequences later. For example, users shouldn't be forced to see the ads. If you create an inventory not as per the recommended dimensions, it will find this activity suspicious. Ad networks monitor every activities on the ads. To avoid these kinds of experiences, first, you should choose an ad network that provides you a policy compliance support so that your apps doesn't violate any policies. Appbroda, that is a channel partner of Google, is a premium version of Admob. They provide you with policy compliance support through a dedicated account manager that helps your platforms to comply with the guidelines. They also provide you with integration of ad manager for your app, so you will get the highest CPC ads with faster fill rate. You can also take a free demo through the link in the description. Next is how to fix policy violation. There are thousands of policies, but these are 5 steps that you have to keep in mind to fix the policy violation issue. First, force ads. Check your ad placements if users are getting encouraged to click on the ad. Users should not be redirected to clicking the ad. No use of phrases is allowed, like click the ad, click here, or something that asks the user to engage with the ad. Second, refreshing ads. Your ad should be refreshed only after 5 to 15 seconds, and unskippable ads are only for rewarded ads, which have limits of 30 seconds. Third, mislabeled ad format. After clicking on an ad, if user is getting redirected to another website instead of the ad shown, it violates policy of Google. Fourth, wrong placement. You must use appropriate ad format for given space. Ads should have close option on top right corner, and ads shouldn't exceed the dimension guidelines of the inventory. Fifth, ad disguised as content. If you show an ad as a content or part of your application, it violates a serious policy of Google, and that can land you in trouble because it is misleading for users and manipulates with the ads. 6. Integrate latest version of your demand. If you are using any ad network, make sure that you use the latest version of their product, as the older version may have some bugs and it may not comply with the updated policies. No SDK is always better for your app, and similarly, you can integrate the demand of Google Ad Manager into your app with help of Appbroda, that too without SDK. Apart from these steps, ad networks keep on updating their policies from time to time, so stay up to date and follow some blogs or news about the latest trends. If you are already following all the policies and still your network is finding it suspicious, that may be the ad activity. Please check the placements of your ads. In many cases, what happens is users on your app increasing drastically, or if many accident click on the ads, they will consider this as a false practice. But these issues can be avoided. Firstly, it's highly recommendable to select a proper ad network. You should try using Appbroda, as they provide you with a dedicated account manager to help your platform comply policies throughout. Even if you are using other ad networks like Admob, applovin, and other ad networks, with Appbroda, you can use mediation with all these ad networks in order to get the best ad revenue and good ads for your platform. And that's it for today. Thank you for watching and see you next time.